Today I'm cooking a very quick and delicious steamed tofu for dinner. It only needs 4 ingredients and 7 minutes. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 600 grams or 2 blocks of soft tofu, 2 tablespoons of homemade wonton noodle sauce, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, and 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onions. The full list of ingredients and recipe for homemade sauce are in the See More link. First, steam the tofu. I have prepared some hot boiling water in a wok with a steamer stand. Put the tofu on the heat-resistant plate and place it on the stand. Cover the wok and steam it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the tofu is cooked. The heat can be switched off, but for me, I will let the timer goes off by itself as it's just 1 more minute. Notice that tofu has released a lot of water, which we will remove. Use a steamer clamp to lift the plate and a flat spatula to support the tofu to prevent it from falling off. Tilt the plate to remove the water. Put the plate back on the steamer stand. Arrange the tofu on the plate to serve. While the tofu is still very hot, pour 2 tablespoons of homemade wonton sauce on it. Spread it evenly. Then, sprinkle some spring onion on top and around the tofu, as well as some crispy fried shallot. Immediately, the fragrance of spring onions and crispy fried shallots is released. So appetizing! Now our simple steamed tofu is ready to be served. Eat it immediately once cooked to enjoy the fragrance and the warm sauce. This is best served with rice. Let's eat! It is so good. The tofu is soft and silky, while the wonton sauce is sweet, salty, and very tasty. The crispy fried shallots and spring onion are so aromatic, complementing the dish so well. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!